Musugot ba mo nga kita dinhi dili na ta makamisa? Nanay magwardya diha, mag-anag pusil, nya kita mo'y nagbayad nila taxes, kanang armas nga ilang gida, ang ato gyapong mga buhis, ang gibayad ana. Kanang ilang mga uniform, atong buhis, ang gibayad ana. Nya kita mo ilang hulga-hulgaon, kita mo ilang hadlok-hadlokon ang lalang pusil, nag-training na sila martial arts, nag-training na sila how to attack. Unya kita'y ilang atakihon, nga kita mo'y nagbayad sa ilang training. Unayon ta. Amo dihan mga naa diha naglingkod, pulos gyud mo nagkaon sa buhis sa mga Pilipinos. Ang uban pa gani ninyo nangurakot nining buhis sa mga Pilipinos. Ang mga pobre nga mo'y nagbuhis, palit lang ka diha kag isda, mo tindal kag isda, tikitan dayon ka. Apan kining mga dagko kay nato mga rangguhan nga mga tao na ipipila nila, siging pahimo sa atong buhis, mangutang pagyud sa laing nasod para igarantiya ang atong buhis. Nya unayon tag sakit, unayon tag persecute, unayon tag oppress. Ako ni sulti ko ani dili pagpanaway sa atong gobyerno, kung dili kitang tanan mamalandong. Ako leader man sa kong simbahan, ni asay daghan dinhi sa simbahan nga hangol sad kwarta, hangol og dungog, hangol sad og gahom.
Senator, natapos na kasi yung search nila kanina pa. Bakit babalikan pa?
Meron daw silang na-monitor pa na heartbeat. Heartbeat. Sabi nila heartbeat na makadetermine kahit na sa ilalim ng lupa. So hanapin lang yung heartbeat na yan. Puntahan nila kung saan yung heartbeat. Baka heartbeat ng palaka yun doon sa ilalim ng lupa.
May
There is
kapatid
my
pala
appeal
si
to the
Diwata.
President Bongbong Marcos, Mr. President. Mr. President, it is my fervent hope that my remarks in this August chamber will reach President Bongbong Marcos. To President Bongbong Marcos, I am reaching out to you in all humility. I do so not only as a concerned citizen and a resident of Davao City. I speak also as someone who deeply believes in your commitment to this nation. Marami na po tayong narinig sa balita. Hindi raw po aalis ang PNP dahil may nadidetect silang heartbeat. To that, we raise no objection. We are in opposition to question these technological advancements. And yet, while your PNP is focused on the underground heartbeat, which they suspect belongs to the heart of Pastor Kibuloy, I urge you, dear President of this nation, to listen also to a different sort of heartbeat. The heartbeat of thousands of Filipinos in the midst of this cacophony of sounds. It is our hope that the voices and hearts of these Filipinos will not be drowned out. Among them are the members of the KOJC, deprived of their religious freedoms. Their right to practice their faith is being challenged, and their pleas for support are echoing through our land. Excuse me. Let us also listen to the hearts of thousands of students from Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated and Lyceum of the Philippines in Davao City, as well as their parents, who are grappling with the disruption of their education. I feel that it is not suitable, it's not justifiable, that in the attempt to serve a warrant of arrest, we also end up arresting our young people's dreams. This is highly unwarranted, Mr. President. Their aspirations hang in the balance as ongoing siege affect their learning environment and their future prospects. Additionally, the closure of Carlos P. Garcia Highway near the airport has caused immense hardship for many Davaoenos. Their daily lives are disrupted and their convenience